When the Diamond Thomas is pulling the special goods train taken to the Brandon docks, he's pulling the very heavy loads. Usually, Henry or Murdoch Donald Douglas is pulling his train, right? But he's busy somewhere else. So all the engine variable is Diamond Thomas. Passing the Henry's tunnel, passing the tunnel, and washdown. Passing the Crosby, passing the Sodor Suspension Bridge, passing Sir Lawrence House, McCall's from Sheffield, and passing Wellsworth. Then need to switch to the Brandon docks. Thomas had to be docks before then.